Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Bullion Now. We're over here at the World Money Fair in Berlin, and we've kind of been in the few days before the show that starts, where we sit down and meet with a whole bunch of people. So we sat down with the CEO of Scottsdale Mint, and Mark asked him a few questions.
Hi, so I'm here with Josh Fair from Scottsdale Mint, which was originally, when I first met you, it was called Scottsdale Silver in Scottsdale, Arizona. We actually met here at the Berlin Money Fair a decade or so ago.
At least, yeah.
At least. And we were both at that time customers of a company called Materion. And Materion produced a wonderful bar that you guys know as the Stacker Bar. Can you tell us a little bit about your relationship with the Stacker Bar and what it's become now, because it's one of the most famous formats in the world?
Sure. So we had trademarked the word stacker and really kind of built that product to where a lot of people thought that Scottsdale Silver was making the bars for Materion at that time. And Materion was a few thousand employees, and this was about the time when the iPad was booming. Their primary business was sputter targets, so they were making the screens for all the iPads. Their board, publicly traded company, said, we're going to exit bullion. They didn't want single-digit margins, and they approached some of their customers who was interested. So in 2011, I purchased the investment bar division from Materion, which essentially took Scottsdale Silver into the minting world. So that bar, so it was a little over 10 years ago.
So, all right. So while I was upset that they didn't approach me to purchase the business, I was really happy to start working with Josh and the team to produce brands for us here in Australia. And not only did we do the Stacker Bars, we also did the Intrinsic Tender Buffalo Rounds, which sold 50, 100,000 in Australia. So we've had a long relationship. You've even taken me to a rodeo, which was an experience in itself. So what we'd like to do is we want to get the Intrinsic Tender 10-ounce Stacker Bar going again.
Okay.
Slightly different design to the current one, let's see. We could probably get that done in 6 months, maybe.
We could probably go a little faster for you. We'll try to go faster for you.
You heard it here, so. We'll serial number them maybe, and we'll auction off the first serial number for charity. I know you guys support some good charities.
Yep.
You want to mention the charities that you support?
Yeah, we work in the state side. We do some pregnancy centers. We've partnered with a special needs program for kids. It's in Africa. There's it kind of hit me. My family, or my father, had visited this village where kids where they're maimed, they can't talk, they can't walk, they're literally just left to die, and that just kind of the world has so much needs. So, we kind of partnered, and I hope that we could maybe raise $25,000, and I'm proud to say we've been able to give them over $250,000 in the last year and a half, and it's just to build water for them. Facilities, wheelchairs, instead of kids having to crawl on the ground. So it's been neat through some of you have purchased coins through some of those coins for charity program through the years.
No, it's been really good. So one of the things when we get back from Berlin is we're expecting to start to sell and deliver the Scottsdale Alien coin. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, you got lucky. So in 21 we did an Alien program. It sold out really, really quick. We had to delay it a little bit, as a lot of people know. We've been so backed up. It was just hard for us to even bring out any coins. So we had this one kind of in our calendar back pocket here to release here early this year, and you guys were lucky to get some allocation into Australia. So that the program was about 95% sold out within 24 hours. So we're pretty excited. So you're going to have a few of them here.
So keep your eye out for that one. I'm excited to see them. to the other products that you guys are famous for, we used to love getting these in these fancy wooden boxes. I think you know the ones I'm talking about. The Tombstone bars.
Yeah.
And I think they came in 5 ounce, 10 ounce, kilo forms.
Yep.
Do you guys still do those?
We still do them.
I think we should.
We had to retire the boxes for pause. So we were producing so many wooden boxes.
Yeah.
We had to just focus on making the silver.
All right. So
but we'd love to
boxes
bring them back. So we're actually talking with a few other wood shops to see if they can help us out to bring those boxes back.
Yep. So Tombstone, I understand, is an actual place in Arizona that's a little bit up the road.
And it's a great down. It's about 2.5 hours south of Scottsdale, roughly. That is actually Tombstone was a silver mining town. This is also where Wyatt Earp. This was huge gun battles. There's a lot of history of OK Corral. There you go. And if you've not seen the movie Tombstone, it is one of the better cowboy movies over the last 30 years.
Yeah, look, I've never been more cowboyed than I was when I last visited you guys.
Well, wait till you visit us in Wyoming.
I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah, we've got our new facility. We're going to remain in Scottsdale, but we're diversifying. As you guys know, the world's been a little weird over the last few years, and so my company, I have a degree in risk management. I wanted to diversify even within the United States. Arizona's been a good place, and we're going to keep an operation there, but we're opening up a new 70,000 square foot manufacturing facility in the state of Wyoming, which is
that's going to be fantastic.
Lots of rodeos there. So, and if you've seen the TV show Yellowstone, our building's on Yellowstone Highway.
Oh, wow. No, that's going to be fantastic. All right. So, look, is there anything else we can look at?
No,
one of the things we're going to do, we're going to be getting in some Certilock product.
Okay. Yeah.
And I think, Ruben, you were talking a little bit about putting together a demo about how it works with the app and all that sort of stuff. So look out for that.
Yeah.
Well,
good stuff. We appreciate your business through the years, and those that are watching have probably purchased our products through the years. Thank you.
Yeah.
And we'll keep making it.
Yeah. So I guess it's bye from Berlin for now, and we'll catch up with you again soon.
Thank you.